You guys, tonight's the night. My kitchen cart arrived and I'm going to be building my laundry station with my husband, of course. And we are going to get it all set up and ready to go so that I have a nice little laundry station to use and work with when I do laundry so that my kids' clothes have a place to go. I am so tired of it being on half of my dining room table, and it couldn't come at a better time. I'm super excited about it. I'm going to give you a little tour of my dining room, the laundry area, and show you where my adorable laundry station is going. Okay, so this room here, I don't know if you've seen that video, but I just uploaded a video on that top shelf and how I decorated it and what I used. I will link that up above if you haven't seen it and would like to. But this room here is our dining room. We have an 8-person table and it's shoved up to the fireplace to give me space to build my kitchen cart, which we will be using as my laundry station. But basically, this house, I love this room. It's my favorite room, and this room is actually supposed to be a family room. It was with the family I grew up with and the previous homeowners and all of that, but the actual dining room was a little too small for me, and I wanted a big, nice table. So this is the room, this is my space, and this is where the laundry room is connected. So, and again, this was a family room, and this laundry room is right here. So I'm sure you've seen it in many of my videos, but it's along this awesome wall, my coffee station in the corner, my hutch, and there is the cart. So, going to these doors, let me just show you. These used to be in the garage. And then we had it converted and flipped so that I could do it from inside. So basically, I do my laundry here, and my table is right there, which is normally like right here. And so I'm constantly doing laundry on my table. These are all of the baskets I got for my station. So cute. I'm super excited. I actually had these two. And then I ordered those. Well, 3 of them will be used. We're going to go ahead and build this thing and get it all set up. And I will show you a beautiful after picture of what this room looks like with my laundry station. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go.